Okay, for these next options we will need first of all some text. So I will use rand formula to generate three free paragraph. Okay, now the first option is Arial. I mean this option is for font. Okay, from here you can change your fonts. For example, let me write something new. I will say, okay, now I want to change this font. Okay, so just I will click on this box area, small arrow. Okay, when I click this small arrow you can see we will have this type of list. That's mean all of those fonts which you have installed in your PC, so you can use all those fonts here. Okay, but if you want to add some new fonts, so simply you will need to install new fonts which you want in your computer, in your PC. Okay, and close MS Word and then again open MS Word and your fonts automatically will be listed in this list. Okay, so for example I want to use something like that, or this type. Okay, so now you can see our font is changed. That's mean when you change your fonts, your setting will be work on those text which you have selected. For example, if you selected this line only. Okay, so if now you use any option, so your option and your setting will be applied on only this selected text. Okay, so before doing anything you should select your line. Okay, so that's it. The next option is font size. Okay, when you hover over your mouse, so you can see shortcut key. For font shortcut key is Control Shift F. Okay, if I press Control Shift F, so you can see a box will be appear on my window, on my screen, and it will say you can change from it. That means we can also use these option using shortcut key. If you don't know which shortcut key for which options, just move your mouse and hover for a moment and you will see this pop-up window, font size, Control plus Shift plus P. That means this is the shortcut key. Okay, so you can also increase your font size from this place to your requirement. For example, now if I want to increase this Udemy size, okay, so simply I will click on this arrow and then I can increase this size. Okay, but unfortunately if you increase this list, you can see we have only 72 value. That's mean if we need more than 72 point larger words, so then we will need to manually put our video. For example, I want to 100, so simply I will type 100 and hit enter. Now that's mean this text is size 100 point. Okay, so this is all about how you can change fonts, how you can change font size. Okay, the next two option is also combined with these fonts. Okay, that's mean you can also increase your font size using click and click up and click down. If you click on this button, so your font size will be increased. So that's it. This is all about how you can decrease, how you can increase from this place. Okay, or you can also use shortcut key. I'm mostly using shortcut for these two options. Okay, for increasing your text size, you will need to only press control button. Okay, hold down it and bracket close. Okay, now you can see it's increasing, and for decreasing I will use bracket start. Okay, so it will increase.